Hello, soulmates. Welcome to DHS Fashion House. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this big fabric rose flower. So as you can see, this is the one I made from. What I used is organdy fabric. So I measured length 60 inches. I used length 60 inches to get this particular design and to make it look very big. So I use length 60 inches. Then the width of the organdy material that I use is 9 inches. So as you can see, when you are done measuring, so I take the edge of the 9 inches and flip it to the other side length of 60 inches. So as I'm doing it, I will sew down from there. So take it round and keep sewing. As you are sewing it, the fabric will be folding. Let me show you what I mean. So now on I'm on my machine, so I flip the fabric. As I'm sewing the edge, I'll be flipping it to the other end. So I sewed all through till the end of the length of the fabric. So watch what I'm doing. So I am done sewing the length of the fabric, so it's time for us to gather it. So you gather the organdy fabric, you gather it then and fold it. After gathering it, you fold the edge, the tip, and use it to form a rose, in form of a rose. So I use needle and thread to put it in place. So you use needle and thread to put it in place, to tack it together. So as I'm folding it, I'll be using needle and thread to hold the organdy fabric in place, the rose fabric in place, so that it won't um remove, so that it will be stay in place. Okay, so here is me holding it together as I'm folding the rose fabric. So to get this kind of structure properly well, you need a fabric like organdy fabric or organza. Any other fabric can work with it, but me, I prefer using organdy fabric. You can actually use Ankara fabric, it will still come out very well. So I am done with the rose, making of the rose, and done tucking it. So here is the outcome of the rose flower. So you can use this to make your cupcake dress for a child or for yourself, and then you can actually use it and place on a dress. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, do have a wonderful day next time. Thank you. Bye.